Hello and welcome to the Consolidating Learning Asia Project. I am Dr. Sreenath Nair at the University of Lincoln. I am the principal investigator of the project. The project team includes Dr. Kyong Dong at the Royal University of Phnom Penh, and he is the co-investigator of the project. And we also have a postdoctoral research assistant, Dr. Janagi Nair. The primary aim of the project is to consolidate the major outcomes and lessons learned from the existing CTS portfolio projects. We have seven individual projects in Asia in different locations, and each individual project has generated outputs such as toolkits, publications, films, and other creative outputs. My aim here is to introduce these projects, Asia projects, very briefly, and looking at the learning outcomes to see whether there are connections between these projects, and whether we can see some common themes emerging from these projects. The An Long Peace and Human Rights Tools project is based in Cambodia. The project is designed to promote interpersonal and inter-community dialogue as part of promoting memory, peace, and reconciliation. The project recognizes that difficult experiences are passed from older to the younger generations as a process of identity and resilience. Participatory arts for health improvement is based in Nagaland in India. The project combines art and global health perspectives. Once again, it is an art-based community development project. The outcome of the project is a series of documentary films consolidating case studies of CSOs' art-based interventions. Youth-led social enterprises in Malaysia is another CL Asia project. The project aims to create a conceptual link between civil society and social entrepreneurship research. The project consolidates the experiences of young people in social entrepreneurship through case studies with youth-led social enterprises, interviews with the funders, employees, volunteers, and beneficiaries, conversations with young people and stakeholders even to cater networking, and also exploring opportunities for collaboration and talent recruitment. Examining interpretations of civic national values is another CL Asia project based in Kenya and in Nepal. The project aims to empower children in post-conflict settings to articulate their interpretations and shared communications of civic national values through performance. Tribal education methodology, sustainable education through heritage and performance, is a project based in India. The project aims to develop a sustainable curriculum for young people from the indigenous tribes of Wayanad district of Kerala. Undertaking youth-led participatory action research as a core methodology, the TEM project has created a digital archive on tribal arts to create an inclusive curriculum for tribal education. When you look at the CTS Asia projects, particularly from the perspective of consolidating learning, you will see there are some common themes and methodologies emerging from individual projects in the region. We identified three categories emerging from the CTS Asia projects. They are methodology, leadership, and sustainability. When you look at the methodology of CTS Asia projects, you see art-led participatory action research as a central focus, central methodological focus of the projects in Asia. And also the recurring themes in relation to the methodology recurring themes are memory, landscape, art and heritage. In many of the projects, or almost all the projects, addresses one or the other aspects of the memory, landscape, art and heritage. These memories can be individual memories, memories of a group in a cultural context, or the memories of landscape. So this is a very interesting thing. So memory connecting to the landscape that are related to art and heritage. That is a very interesting associations, connecting to the past and the present, connecting to the cultural memory to the present context. Leadership is the second category of Consolidating Learning Asia Projects. Some of the recurring themes are youth empowerment, leadership, and policy change. The digital intervention is used very carefully to support the methodology, activities of the projects, and also to develop and strengthen the youth empowerment. And in many projects, we used digital intervention as a platform to bring people together, to share experiences and memories, and to create the to empower youth leadership, to change the practices, policies and practices. Sustainability is the third and final category. Sustainability through social and economic changes to eradicate poverty and building inclusive civil societies. Asia is not a single nation. It is a geographical location in which you see a cluster of cultures, systems of beliefs, religion, practices, cultural practices. It is so diverse, and at the same time, it's fragmented into specific individual cultures and cultural practices. So similar to that, when you look at the CTS Asia projects, each projects are clearly located within the cultural context, at the same time connected to similar other projects in the region. So in that sense, it is interesting to see that specificity and diversity coming out from the project, emerging from the project. That is something very interesting to notice. My initial thoughts are really fragmented, same as the projects are individually different, at the same time trying to make some connections, conceptual or in theory or in practice. So that is the nature of the CTS project in Asia. Thank you.